Hey YouTube, I am doing Jenny Craig week 2, 1200 calories, and right now I'm eating delicious vegetable and chicken pot stickers. And I have volumetrics it with these delicious teriyaki vegetables, broccoli, onions, red peppers, mushrooms, sugar snap peas, and I've topped it off with, of course, water in a pretty glass, and plated up, never in the box. And this time I have chopsticks, and I also made a little soy sauce with wasabi in it. I don't know if you can see it, but I am having a little dipping sauce. It is too good. I ate my breakfast today, my Jenny breakfast, which was maple nut oatmeal. I ate my vitamin bar, and I ain't looking at you because I'm looking at my food, so it's all good. And I still have to eat my snack and my lunch because I actually skipped over them. So if I'm hungry enough later, I'll eat that. But I went out of my way to make my dinner now because my family is eating dinner, and the reason why I'm not eating with them is, although my dinner is delicious and beautifully plated, fried chicken it ain't. And they're having fried chicken and biscuits with french fries. And I am just not about to tempt fate. Ooh, I'm gonna have one of these pot stickers now. I'm going in. These chopsticks definitely help your dinner to move along a little more slowly, but don't get it twisted. Sister got a fork close by, so if these chopsticks keep playing, they get ready to be on the side of the road. But this is good, and I like eating them with the chopstick because it kind of like gives me the whole Japanese, Chinese ambiance thing. Ooh, this is good. Oh, it's snowing. It's snowing here in Charlotte, and that means the kids are gonna be home from school tomorrow. We don't have snow, or we don't do snow very well here. Put it like that. Oh, this is good. I'm gonna have to do that again another time with that. I'm probably gonna do that. This stir fry, which was 2 for $4. I think I'm gonna put it with my broccoli my beef chow mein for lunch. I bet that'll be good. Love the volumetrics. And it usually does help you to feel full and not feel deprived and everything, but don't kid yourself. Okay, how many vegetables you put on your plate, you are not going to be competing with fried chicken or banana pudding or whatever your weakness food is. So just try to stay out of harm's way. Know your limits. Know your strengths, and most of all, know your weaknesses. Stay away from them. Yeah. I know it sounds easier said than done, right? All we can do is one meal at a time. Not even one meal at a time. We can only do one bite at a time. Because sometimes right in the middle of Jenny, I'd be like, you know what? This is so not a cheeseburger. Excuse me. But it's good. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying my menagerie of vegetables. I love sugar snap peas. Not as much as I love edamame, but I found out that edamame is not an unlimited free. It's actually a starch, which of course makes sense because it tastes so good. But these big old peas from the snow peas, they're almost as good as edamame. Almost. And these big old snow pea pods, they're almost as good as green peas, which are also a starch, so I can't have them. But, yum, 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 yum. I'm going in for another pot sticker. They give you 3 in your Jenny. I did that on purpose. Biting it in half like that. I usually only, that wasabi got my nose running. I usually put the whole thing in my mouth, but there's only 3. And I really want it to last. Split it in half. Broccoli. Broccoli. Wasabi and soy sauce mixed together is a wonderful little combination that is usually reserved for sushi. But anything with an Asian type of flair to it, give it a try. You might find that you like that. I do. And then the chopsticks definitely add to the ambiance of it all. I think that I'm having triple chocolate cheesecake for dessert, which is my favorite dessert. I still have another fruit to get in today, and for some reason I feel like I have had a lot of food to eat today, but I think that's because I got off to a rough start this morning. I didn't have an appetite at all. I was really an emotional wreck. But you live long enough, you'll make it through everything. I was kind of glad though that this response to stress was to have no appetite, because my typical response to stress is to medicate with food, if that makes any sense. Like, because I don't feel good, I want to taste good. I don't want to taste good, like, as in if you ate meat, but I want to taste good things. So, this time it didn't happen. Anybody who knows me knows that this is the happy food dance. It's usually reserved for steak with just enough fat left on it, or what else? Dessert. Definitely dessert usually gets the happy food dance. But this vegetable chicken pot sticker can get the happy food dance. And I'm loving it. I put a couple of posts out there on my Facebook with the snow that we have here. So good. Alright. I feel like I should not just be eating while I'm making this video. So, I'm going to pig out on the rest of it by myself. Ha! And I'll come back when it's time for dessert. How about that? Alright, talk to you later. Bye.